Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in again. I got the jorts on, got the working clothes on right now. Let me explain to you what the thumbnail means a little bit. So, yes, I'm building a garden shed for my drift car. The garage is a mess, and I need space to work on the cars. So, let's get into it. What are you doing, Kiki? So as you guys can see, we have a mess here. Right? What is she doing?
We got buckets of standing water with millions of mosquitoes in it.
Oh, jeez.
So it's definitely like West Nile in here. Maybe a little bit of bird flu.
Are they all in here?
Yeah, I don't know about that. Like this seems like water and shit.
No, let's just dump it out, bro. Here.
No, don't dump that out.
It's just water, dude.
Why? They need the water to grow and shit.
It's just water, dude. Relax.
But it's gonna cause like rodents and shit.
Nah, they'll die.
Está loca. F-150 tires. These are basically brand new. Hit me up if you guys want to buy them. Is that like a stink bug?
It looks like one. Babe, come smell this beetle.
We cleared most of everything out. Now we got it flattened. We're gonna remove the planter here and level out the dirt. Good thing we already have these rocks as base. So all we have to do is add the wood planks to create a base, and then just level out with the rocks. So all this was back there in the way of the garden shed. So we're gonna build the garden shed over there to create space for this in this area. As you can see, we have a mess here. This is all garden stuff. Up there we have Christmas decorations and whatnot, so all that stuff's gonna go in the back, and the garage is gonna be strictly for cars. So we're at Home Depot and I saw this pulling up. I wonder if this would be make the job easier to dig all the stuff out the back. Maybe unnecessary, but definitely make the job funner. What do you think, babe?
You could do it yourself. You don't need it.
Look, this one's way smaller. I think this will make the job a lot funner. What do you guys think? What do you think, babe?
If it's needed, get it. If you don't need it, don't get it.
I don't need it, but it'll be funner.
Okay, then you just answered my question.
It will be way more fun. Okay, so we ended up, what's it called when you're impulsive? So I got an impulsive rental. Them helper bags gonna put in work today, boy. I'll tell you that much. Yeah. So we have a problem. The leg doesn't go all the way up. Is there a way to get this higher? I can take this off. Woo! I got scared. Anyways, so we came to Home Depot to get a wheelbarrow, but I saw this thing and I figured it would make my job a lot funner. So impulsively, I rented it. So let's go use it. Heavy haul.
Heavy haul.
Let's have some fun.
That's the plow.
Yeah, I'm lifting it so.
No, but you're lifting the plow.
I know, but I have to lift it because it's getting stuck on the trailer.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So we're still learning how to use it, but it's definitely a good way to spend the weekend, having fun. We'll crush a few beers, and I'll get to hang out with my little bro. You know, what more can you ask for? Good time. Honestly, we probably didn't even need to use this thing, but it's just fun and very convenient, and it's faster. All right, so we moved over the rocks over to that corner. We took out all the brick that was along here for the planters. See, that was inside the dirt. Now we're trying to flatten out as much as we can before we lay the foundation. So we're gonna reuse those rocks. We're gonna re-spread them out, and then we'll go from there. Let me bring some more dirt. Should I help you or should I just keep filming?